Alright, I wanted to do the next video in the video series here. This time I'm going to be drawing for you the linkage arm. The linkage arm is, well, the linkage arm is this guy here. It's really a simple drawing, but once you try to break it down here, you can see the real trick to this is working from the center out. So we've got the big circles in the end and the little circles in the middle. But let's start with one line. I'm making a sketch. Start with one line. Figure out how far away those circles are. 3.5, and I got that dimension right there. So one line, 3.5 inches long. At the end of that line, I'm going to draw two circles. One circle is going to be the outer circle, and it's going to be 0.875. Since I'm drawing a circle, I need to double that R value. So 0.8, that doesn't sound right. 0.1875, 0.1875, 1.1875 times 2, because we're changing that radius to a diameter. Same deal on this end. 0.1875 times 2, and I'm just punching that right in on the keypad. Okie dokie. Now we're ready for the inner circles. Those inner circles, I'm getting that right here. Those are actually given as a diameter. I can tell by that circle with the line through it. 0.128. 0.128, enter. 0.128, enter. Okay, so now we're going to do something really simple here. We're going to come to the center of this line, and we're going to come up. I'll show you where I'm getting this dimension from. So this whole thing is 1/4 of an inch, 0.25. So we want to type that in. We want to find the top line. We want to find the bottom line. So 1/2 of 1/4 is 1/8, or if you don't like that, you can say 0.25 divided by 2. And we're just going to make sure our line is straight. We're going to come here. We're going to come back through here, making sure our line's straight just till it touches the circle. We're going to grab our line tool again. We're going to zoom in here. We're going to type it in. We can say 0.5 divided by 2. Whoops. 0.25 divided by 2. Enter. Do the same little trick that we just did, where we just connect it to the circles on either end, making sure that it is straight. That's that 90 degrees. Click. And then we're going to do the same to the other side. Doesn't really matter the dimension, we're just connecting stuff. So okay, now we're ready to do some trimming. So trim, you want to trim this. Oops. Alright, well, let's drop our trim tool. Let's delete the things that we can delete first. We don't need our center point anymore. We don't need these guidelines anymore. Now we can use our trim tool. We're trimming here. We're trimming here. And then we can finish the sketch. Alright, so we finished the sketch, and now we are good to just extrude our surface here. There we go. I'm going to get that dimension here. And I'm just looking here, 0.125. 0.125, enter. And we're good to go. We'll save it and use that part later.